medical equipment worth more than $5 million, including 485,000 bandages and wound treatment material, 195 lung ventilators, both standard and portable, will be sent to Ukraine. All this thanks to Maryland's health department and the state's governor through United Help Ukraine and the Paul Chester Children's Hope Foundation. The Maryland Police Department has donated personal protective equipment, including hundreds of tactical gear and body armor.
To put in perspective what 170 pallets is, it's a cargo plane's worth. So we've been on phone calls for the last 48 hours trying to see how we can get so much of this aid over there, because certainly I didn't expect it to be such an overwhelming response, and I'm deeply, deeply grateful.
Baltimore has been Odessa's sister city since 1975. After talking to Odessa's mayor, Maryland Governor Larry Hogan decided to do what he could to help Ukraine, and do it fast. For one, to provide lung ventilators to Ukrainian soldiers.
We have overabundance that we gathered during COVID, and so this was $5 million worth of stuff that we're sending. This came directly as a result of my discussion with the mayor of Odessa, who said they desperately needed medical supplies.
Boris Livanenko is a member of the United Help Ukraine organization that has been providing aid to Ukraine since 2014. He is originally from Kharkiv.
At 4:45 a.m., the first explosions were heard in Kharkiv. It was really loud. I couldn't sleep that night. My family is not there, but many friends are there. My wife has relatives there. Many have left the city, though, because it's impossible to stay there at the moment.
Livanenko says in just a few days, the PPE and medical equipment that's being sent to Ukraine will have arrived in Lviv, and from there into hospitals and to the first responders.
This ventilator is a full functional ventilator that is applicable for children older than 5 kilograms, all the way up to adults. And it can be used under any number of circumstances for individuals that have different types of injury to their lungs, to their heart.
The governor of Maryland has noted that Ukrainian soldiers are not just protecting their own country, but the whole free world from Vladimir Putin's baseless aggression. He says it's important to support them in any way possible.
Following Russia's invasion, we terminated Maryland's 30-year sister state relationship with the Leningrad region of Russia. I had directed all state agencies to immediately review and terminate any and all contracts, procurements, and holdings that they may have to ties to any Russian entities.
The governor, like many others in the U.S. and the West, says the actions of the Kremlin are making Russia an outcast on the world arena. For VOA's Russian service, VOA News, Washington.